Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Kusama coin. Today I want to show you how the price line of Kusama has completed a powerful bullish reversal, a harmonic bullish reversal pattern, and from here the price action can start a massive rally. A few days back on 24th of June, I shared this idea at the Patreon. Let me show you this idea. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different harmonic ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the idea this was the idea that the price line of Kusama completed a bullish sharp move, and at that time the price action was moving in the buying zone. Let me play the chart and show you how the price action is now behaving after visiting the buying zone of this bullish harmonic sharp move. And this is the private chart that I shared at the Patreon, and you can see at that time the price action even spiked at the center of this buying zone. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that the price action is now moving above the buying zone. It is turning bullish. Now first of all, I want to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price action has found this down trend line support here, and it is moving above this trend line very well. For example, if I switch this chart to the weekly time frame, then this trend line can be seen more clear. We can see that the price action is moving above this trend line. And if the price action will be turned bullish from the buying zone of this this big bullish sharp move, then our sell targets can be from $276 to $446. However, I'm expecting that this time the price action can hit this level. For example, we can see that the price action has found another resistance like previously we have seen. This is the support and this is the resistance. You can see that the price action is getting rejected again and again by this down trend line resistance. So it is a kind of broadening formation that the price action has formed, and you can see that it is forming on the weekly time frame chart higher highs, and at the same time it is also forming the lower lows. So this time we can expect that the price action can at least move up to this resistance that is approximately at $510, because you can see that after a long time period, after getting rejected by this trend line here, the price action moved here on the weekly time frame chart at the support, and now it is turning bullish after the long time period. Therefore, we can expect that this bullish reversal move on the long term will be continued, and soon it will hit the $510, and it can also form the higher than the previous high. Here the price line did not form the higher than the previous high. Therefore, I am just setting my target here at this resistance that is $510. However, we can also set our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark that is from $276 to $446. But you can see that every time, whenever the price action is getting rejected or getting bounced by the support, it is moving at this trend line. Therefore, we can expect that the price action can hit this $510, or if it will move a little bit sideways, then the target can be also a bit lower, because you can see this is the downtrend line. For example, if the price action hits here, that will be $470, and if it hits here, that will be approximately $420 and then $400. So I'm expecting that it will hit somewhere here that is around $500, and it can also form the higher than the previous high as well. Now let me show you this Ichimoku cloud that is playing a very, very important role on this chart, on the daily time frame chart for Kusama coin. We can see that previously, when the price action broke out this bearish cloud here, we had a very, very powerful long-term and very, very massive powerful bullish rally. And now the price action broke down this Ichimoku cloud here when the cloud turned bullish from bearish. And again, when this cloud was turned bullish here, the price action tried to break out this cloud but failed to break out. But this was also a very nice bullish rally, and now the price action has moved down again. And once the price action will again break out this cloud, because now we have this bullish cloud above the price action, and whenever the price action finds the bullish cloud as a resistance at the Ichimoku cloud. It is easy for the price line to break out that Ichimoku bullish cloud as compared to the bearish cloud. Therefore, this time we can expect that the price action can make another attempt to break out this cloud. And after breaking out this Ichimoku cloud, we can have a very good support of the bullish cloud. And then this bearish cloud will be also turned bullish, like it is giving the bearish signals for the future. Once the price action will cross up here, then it will again give the bullish signals for the future, like previously it happened here when the price action broke out this Ichimoku cloud. The cloud turned bullish and we received the bullish signal for the future. Same as like this, we can expect that this Ichimoku cloud can give us again bullish signals for the future. Now this is the conversion line and this is the baseline. You can see that the conversion line is move down. The price action is crossing up the conversion line, and once the conversion line will cross up this baseline, that will be the buying signal, and then we can expect a long-term bullish rally. Like previously we received this buying signal. Let me show you the previous signal. This conversion line crossed up the baseline here and the price action rallied, and before that we received this buying signal here when the price action crossed up this Ichimoku bearish cloud here. And we can see at this time the cloud is again bearish, like we have seen recently here, and the conversion line is crossing down the candlesticks, and the candlesticks are crossing up the conversion line. And then we can expect once the price action will cross up the conversion line, then the conversion line can move up and form a bull cross with this baseline that will be the buying signal, and then we can expect a very long-term powerful bullish rally. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.